2015 Dodge Ram 2500 heavy duty HEMI. Still got the stock converters right there, and somewhere over there. There it is, right there. Then it's widened to a single 3-inch. Then we did a FLOWMASTER 3-inch muffler, inlet and outlet, 3-inch tailpipe, and a 5-inch black tip. Right there. There it is. There it is. We will let you guys hear it in a minute. It's the Big Horn edition. Massive truck. That is beast mode all the way. Super loud. Ram 2500 heavy duty, 5.7 liter. Just a beast of a truck. Look at that. That's the tailpipe we took off. That's the muffler we took off. Give it gas.